Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Chokobilag. Welcome to yet another awesome video about TBC Mart and TBC Mart Token. And today I want to be showing you guys how to use the TMT calculator, okay? How to use the TMT calculator to calculate the value of TMT in USD. And you can also calculate the value of TMT in Ethereum and other cryptocurrency that I'll show to you in this video. So the calculator is tied to CoinGecko. I can see here it's powered by CoinGecko, and I can see right now the price of one TMT is 0.000231199 US dollar. Okay, so if you want to check what $100 will give you right now, all you have to do is just come to the US dollar part, put $200, and you'll see that it will give you 431,000 TMT. Okay, now if you go and put $20, okay, you get about 86,210.613. If you go and you put $10, you get about 40 something thousand TMT. Okay, so this is how to do that. So you can go always put in any amount, whether it's $500. There's no limit to any amount of TMT you can buy. Okay, you can buy $1,000. Okay, there's no limit to any amount of TMT you can buy. But the minimum to buy, if you're a TBC member and you want to buy direct from me, or you want to buy from the exchange, we advise you buy a minimum of $10 worth of TMT so that you'll get something tangible in your wallet. Okay, or you can just buy whatever amount that you have. Okay, but to buy them on exchanges you have to use Ether, but to buy it with Bitcoin you have to convert Bitcoin to Ether, then you buy it from exchanges. If you now want to buy with cash, especially if you're in Nigeria, you have to use you have to contact me directly on WhatsApp or Telegram to buy with cash only. Okay, now if you want to buy with TBC or Kringles, you have to use 50% Kringles, 50% cash, Bitcoin or Ethereum to be able to buy TMT. So let's check what the price of one TMT is right now, because I noticed a change in the exchange rate. Okay, so that means the rate dropped a little. Okay, so how to convert TMT to, how to know what the value of TMT is in Ether or Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency. You can see that you have okay, you can check the value of, let's see if we can check it to Naira. Okay, so Naira is not showing here. I think it's more of, more of popular currencies. Okay, like you can check what one TMT is in Japan. This is what it is in Japan currency. You can check what it is in Bitcoin. Okay, you can check what it is. This is not 2 point, this is point 0. That is about 8 zeros 2. Okay, in Ethereum, this is what it is for one TMT at the moment. Okay, this is Australian dollars. This is what it is in Australian dollars. Okay, so which other currency? This is Canadian dollars. This is what it is in Canadian dollars. If you want to check which other country should we try? Okay, let's try the CFA. I believe this is it. Okay, so let's try euro. This is what it will give you in euro, 0.0001967. Then GBP, this is what it is. That is pounds. This is 0.000168999. Okay, that's for one TMT. And let's, for the final check, let's try Hong Kong dollars. Okay, in Hong Kong dollars is going to give you 0.00171 Hong Kong dollars. Okay, that is one TMT for you. So guys, that's it for this video. Like I said, this is tied to CoinGecko, so automatically it adjusts itself based on what's going on, based on the average activities on the exchanges. Like I said, right now we have two market data that is showing. We are working to get the rest of the exchange to start showing. So we have Uniswap and Etherflyer now showing. Okay, so and that's what is influencing the price as we have it now. Okay, as we have it right now. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Just want to enlighten you guys on how to know the price of TMT and how to calculate it. Okay, then also, sorry, also, this rate is this a rate on CoinGecko is what influences what goes on what the value of TMT is in your wallet, and also on the TBC Mart shopping app. Okay, so and those platforms are designed to stabilize the price. So if CoinGecko is reacting to every activity on the exchange, the wallet and the stores does not react as fast as that, because it requires a bit of stability, so that it is not that you want to pay now and they show you a particular value and the next minute it changes immediately. It doesn't make sense. Okay, so the best part is the exchanges, the wallet, and the store stabilize the price a bit so that it does not look volatile, especially when you're trying to make payments, to avoid stories that you sent payment and it changed. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Till I see you guys next time, make sure you go and get this app and make sure you join TBC Mart Token. So guys, I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye for now.